Hi, I'm Molino, and today we want to look at the current Linchpin update and all of its possibilities. We will check out 3 of the new features: the recurring events, the expert mode in the macro person search and list, and the full screen display for images and PDF files in Linchpin Touch. As you know, you can submit and vote for feature requests for Linchpin on the Canny feedback platform. The first feature we want to look at comes from one of these requests: recurring events. In fact, this is the feature with the most votes on Canny. No other feature has been so important to so many of you. You probably have a few events in your company that take place on a regular basis, either weekly, monthly, the last Friday of the month, or once a year. Until now, you had to create each event individually or copy the previous one and adjust the date. Well, that's no longer necessary. When you create an event, you decide whether it is a one-time event or a series of events. You fill out most fields as you would for any other event: title, location, date, and time. But because this is a recurring event, you can now fill out how often it should take place. You are probably already familiar with these options from your calendar in one way or another, so you can easily create your own event. Then choose an image and the recurring event is ready. The future events will be created automatically. Now you can register for the events. As you know from calendar applications, you will be asked what exactly the registration should apply to: just the selected event or all the future events as well. Sometimes one of the automatically created events needs to be changed or updated. For example, it falls on a holiday and you want to move it to another day. Well, that's possible. Just go to the Edit Event function, and again, you can decide, do I want to edit the whole series or just the single event? And the same goes for deleting a single or all future events in a series. As you can imagine, this was a pretty big overhaul of Linchpin events. And to avoid making it too complex and to avoid unwanted side effects as much as possible, some combinations are not yet possible. For example, the combination of time slots and recurring events. And we need your feedback. What exactly would you like to be able to do that is not yet possible with this first version of recurring events? Please let us know via Canny. This is also exactly what happened with our next feature. In the last update, we introduced the new macro person search and list. And many of you wanted to use it but needed the expert mode that the previous macro offered. Expert mode allows you to use CQL statements to specify exactly which people to list. You asked us for this addition, and many of you voted for this in a very short amount of time. And we are happy to announce that in this update, expert mode is now available in the new macro. And the third new feature, which is also a result of your feedback, is the new full screen mode for images and PDF files in Linchpin Touch. This means that the entire screen is used, which is especially helpful for small images like an organizational chart. As always, numerous other improvements and bug fixes are included in the new version. You can find the complete release notes in the info description. And that wraps up our Linchpin update. But hold on, I've got one more thing to tell you. Many of you are already planning to move your Confluence to the cloud. So how do we get our intranet into the cloud? Well, unfortunately, we are not taking Linchpin with us because this is technically just not possible. But there is a great alternative: Mantra. And now our colleagues at Mantra will show you what this looks like.
Hi, my name is Tim. Are you currently using Confluence in the cloud, or are you interested in discovering what a cloud-based intranet can do for your organization? We have the perfect solution for you, Mantra, which transforms Confluence Cloud into a cutting-edge intranet and a vital platform for internal communication. With Mantra, you will have access to a comprehensive suite of tools that can help your company improve communication and information sharing. The dashboard provides you with all the critical news, posts, and events for your location. You can easily find the right employee for your next project using the people directory and customize the design and navigation to meet your needs and preferences. Mantra is incredibly easy to use. With just a few clicks, you can transform Confluence Cloud into a modern intranet that is tailored to your company's unique needs. Whether it's for your team or each location, Mantra makes it simple to get started and take full advantage of many benefits of cloud-based intranet technology. We will show you how that looks like in the following video.